Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use less memory on Windows. First, let's tackle the easiest steps. Begin by closing any applications or browser tabs you are not actively using. This can instantly free up hundreds of megabytes of RAM. Next, open Task Manager by pressing Ctrl, Shift, and Escape to identify and end any processes consuming excessive memory. A simple restart of your computer can also work wonders, clearing out temporary files and resetting memory usage to a baseline. Moving on to system adjustments, optimizing your virtual memory, also known as the page file, can significantly help. You can manually set its size to a recommended value, often 1.5 times your installed RAM. Also, review your privacy settings to disable background applications that are not essential. Furthermore, consider turning off some visual effects in your system's performance options. These can consume a surprising amount of memory for purely aesthetic purposes. Next, let's manage your software and startup items. Many programs automatically launch when your computer starts, consuming valuable memory. Use Task Manager's Startup tab to disable non-essential applications. Additionally, take a moment to uninstall any software you no longer use. These programs often run background services. Finally, check your web browser for unnecessary extensions, as they can be significant memory hogs, especially with multiple tabs open. To maintain low memory usage over time, regular system health checks are crucial. Always keep your operating system and device drivers updated. These updates often include performance improvements and bug fixes. Periodically run disk cleanup to remove temporary files, system logs, and other junk that can accumulate. Lastly, regularly scan your computer for malware or viruses, as malicious software can secretly consume significant system resources, impacting your overall memory performance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.